What's up, folks? This is El Jefe again, and today I'll be taste testing two sodas. Both of them I picked up from 7-Eleven on the way home for the weekend. I've never tasted them before, so it's probably gonna be pretty cool. But they're both sold by 7-Eleven, and they're made by the Jones Soda Company. I'm sure you've all heard of the Jones Soda Company. They make some pretty awesome flavors, and they use cane sugar, which makes it so much better. But anyway, the first one will be the blueberry lemonade one, and I'll try to nice and slow. Cool. Right? It has a pretty cool, like, foggy blue color to it, which is pretty nice. And then the second one is the watermelon. Oh, okay, that's cool. Didn't notice that, to be honest with you. But this one is a Sour Patch watermelon flavored soda. So it's probably gonna be sour. So that'll be cool. So anyways, yeah, I'm kind of excited to figure out how these things taste. And without further ado, let's get started. Blueberry lemonade. Alright. Oh, that smells delicious, actually. So, cheers. Oh. Ooh, that's fizzy. Oh, excuse me. That's pretty good, actually. At first, when you drink it, oh, obviously you saw my reaction to it. The fizz hits you, and then some sourness hits. I'm assuming it's the lemonade out of this blueberry lemonade. It hits you, and then you get like the subtle blueberry taste once you start drinking it and swallowing it. But that's pretty. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. Some subtle notes of sourness, but if you love sourness like I do, this is pretty good. Pretty good stuff. Sorry about that. Hold on. That's some good stuff. All right. Ooh, super fizzy. So, excuse me if I burp throughout this video. And the next one, the Sour Patch Kids watermelon. Let's try that one out. Oh, wait. Okay, good. Open. Oh yeah, I can smell the Sour Patch Kids and the watermelon. Anyways, cheers. Yep. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's oh, that got my mouth watering a little bit there. But yeah, that's definitely watermelon-y and Sour Patch Kids-y. This one, I'm surprised this one isn't as fizzy as the blueberry one. I was expecting this to be a little bit more fizzy. Don't ask me why. I just thought, because the Sour Patch Kids have those little grains of sour stuff on the actual candy, so I just assumed it'd be more fizzy. Anyways, yeah, this is pretty. Yeah, I like it, but not as much as I like the blueberry lemonade one. The watermelon flavor isn't as prominent as I would have wanted it to be, but it's still pretty good. I'm probably gonna mix these two together here in a second and just see how that tastes. But yeah, I think, like I said, the blueberry lemonade one I like better. I like this one better than I do this one, but they're both pretty good, and the colors are pretty dang cool too. Anyways, now there that goes. Get that get that out of my system. So, Jesus, whew. All right, if you don't like to burp a lot, do not drink these sodas because you will be burping. Anyways, let me grab myself a little cup here. My, super awesome red cup. Put that right there. Don't want to. That's probably a bad idea. That's not a good place to put that. Anyways, let me open these first so I don't spill everything all over the place. That. How's everyone doing today? Doing pretty good. And while I'm doing this, for all of you that are watching or know about my channel, since it's so small and barely starting, yeah, leave your comments, your suggestions, and ooh, that's fizzy. You hear that? That stopped. But yeah, leave your comments, suggestions, opinions, critiques. Since I'm pretty new to this, there's a little gnat flying around. But yeah, since I'm new to this, I'd love to know, your opinions on things you'd want me to, review, etc., talk about. But yeah, here we go. Put that. Ooh, that's a nice. That is a nice purple color there. Alright, cover those because I'm more than likely going to kick them. So put this on the floor. So sorry for the unprofessionalism here, but this is one of those, off the top of my head kind of videos. And I've pretty much been trying to record this whole video the last 2 hours, and I've gone through video after video, and so I just said forget it, I'm just gonna do it, and I'm just gonna post it how it goes, because I like to be a perfectionist sometimes. So, but anyways, I kind of wish I had a clear cup or something so I could see that super awesome purple color to it. Dang. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. Okay, well, I have to wash one real quick. Let me grab some paper towels and dry that a little bit so it doesn't interfere with the taste, which I really don't think it'll do much. But anyways, like I was saying before, that makes a sorry about that. I get carried away sometimes. But yeah, love to hear, your comments and suggestions and all that other super cool stuff that, would make me a better person as far as, reviewing and doing stuff on YouTube. And I think that's probably about as dry as I'm gonna get that. Yep, give it another little bit there. Again, this is my perfectionist coming in, so that should be good. Okay, so nice clear glass. That looks pretty awesome, doesn't it? Oh, not gonna lie, that's pretty cool looking. Put that down. So as you can see, that is a beautiful purple color. That is absolutely awesome. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna taste it, and I'll taste it first, and then I'll tell you what I think about it now. Then I'm gonna try to chug this whole thing down, or I don't know. We'll find out. Oh wow. I mean, I know it's a mix of blueberry lemonade and Sour Patch Kids watermelon, but I feel like I've tasted this before somewhere. That's good. It's good stuff. I'm gonna have to buy some more of these and just mix them, put them back in, and just save them for a later date, because this is absolutely delicious. And I love that color. I mean, look at that. That is awesome. Anyways, sorry about that. So, try to chug this real quick. Again, it's super fizzy and carbonated, so this might not end well. So, here we go. Wish me luck. I feel like I gotta stand up for this. Or at least give myself a little bit more space. Here we go. I'll quit stalling. Oh Jesus. Oh boy. A couple tears in my eyes there. Ooh, that's fizzy. Jesus. Whew. Okay. So there's that. Oh, that's all in the way. Put that there. Oh boy. So there's I mean, I guess I should just, well, there's no, can't really see. Let me flip them so you can see how much is left in there. Yeah, there's a little bit. Yeah, I guess I'll do it, huh? Might as well go out with a bang. Oh boy. Okay. So, try to put this here. Oh, it sucks that I can't get a good placement there. Let me see if I can move this a little bit so y'all can see it as it's being poured. Good enough. Alright, so we'll start with the watermelon. Alright. Let's see. Empty. So yeah, now I'm not lying. That is an empty bottle. And then the next one, I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. Here we go. Okay, can y'all see me still? Hello? And put that down there. Let's see if you see the color change there, which is super cool. That is freaking awesome. Cool. Nice purple color. Super awesome. Alright. There we go. Grab that. Oh boy. I'm starting to realize this isn't a good idea. Totally forgot there was something else that I was going to taste test for this video. Jeez. Okay. So I'm going to put this here again. Put it in y'all's faces. Put that there. These, sorry. You're in the way there. These are some cherry bombers from the Trolley gummy candy folks. That is. And if you don't know, you'll know now. I absolutely love anything cherry flavored. If If it has cherries in there, that's on me. That's what I love. I love cherries. Anyways, let me open this up real quick. And awesome. Came out. You know, I have a pair of scissors somewhere, but oh god, that is a good smell. That is a good smell, and I'm assuming they're supposed to look like. I just keep dropping things today. So that's what I'm doing today. Okay, yeah. So they're supposed to look like little cherries. So let's find out. It was super gummy. It says tangy cherry burst. I don't know about tangy. Well, after after these sodas, I think my tongue is a little, you know, inoperable right now. But oh, I need to read things a little bit better. Apparently, these cherry bombers have I guess like a liquid inside. Yeah. So let's see. And move this out the way. Sorry. Put that down there. Let's open that up real quick. Oh boy. Here we go. Come on. You can do it. Well, it's not too bad, but oh. Catch it with the other one. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Pretty good. I like them. I'd definitely buy them again, cause they do have that little. They have enough cherry flavor in them for me to notice them and be like, "This is good stuff." So, anyways, what I was gonna do now is put this back in the frame. Okay. Grab a couple of these. And since this is my second video, I guess I should only just do 2. And then if this channel progresses, sorry I keep staring at me on my phone when I should be staring right there. But anyways, I should just do 2, right? Sorry, my mouth isn't working now with all this sourness and stuff. Since it's my second video, I should just do 2. And then if my channel gets better and better, you know, who knows? We'll do more fun stuff. So I'll just do 2 for now. Alright, drop 1. Should have seen that coming. And then 2. I was expecting more fizz, but you know, they're in there. Looks cool. Yeah. Awesome. Whew. So basically what I've been doing is stalling because my stomach is full of soda and I had pizza before this, which is probably not a good idea, but it's just full of gas and I know I'm waiting to burp, but it's one of those like back and forth. So here we go. And man, like I know it's probably not super cool to you guys, but that looks awesome. That purple color, that looks pretty like majestic and royal. Anyways, stop stalling on. Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Oh boy. That's empty. Whew. I don't know. I don't know why, but that was a little bit more fizzy. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the oh, there they are. I haven't bite into them yet. Oh, that's the second wave of sour. Oh, okay. So that was quite awesome, actually. You know, once you get past the whole like sour taste of it all, that's a pretty good little mix. My stomach hurts right now, all gassy and full, and oh boy. So to spare you any more burping and silly sour faces, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. But if you liked what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'd love to hear your comments, questions, critiques, all that kind of stuff. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.